We have threat days for today and tomorrow. Numerous severe storms are expected. Now, when and what can we expect and where? Well, right now, for the most part, we're dealing with cloudy conditions. And even though we're dealing with cloudy skies, usually we see severe weather threats on sunny days. So why are we dealing with a threat when it's cloudy? Well, we're dealing with such warm and humid conditions. Even though it is cloudy, the atmosphere has a lot of instability and a lot of energy to feed off of. So right now, even though it's cloudy, we still have a lot of energy out there. It's only a matter of time until a cold front sweeps through to kind of feed off of that energy and fire up a few storms. And you can see on our D. Patrick camera, we have some pretty strong, decent winds out of the south, which continue to bring moisture and warmth from the south. This will bring our temperatures from in the 60s right now to almost 80 degrees by this afternoon. So if you're heading out the door, preparing for the day ahead, you do not need to dress for any cold weather whatsoever. We're basically going to be able to wear t-shirts and shorts all day long, but you may want to prepare for tomorrow when a cold front moves through. We'll deal with severe weather, but then cooler conditions will arrive. Right now, we're dealing with some of those showers towards the heart of the tri-state, but like I was saying, temperatures are in the upper 60s. These showers indicate that we do have that moisture in the atmosphere. And it's only until around 10 o'clock tonight that we start to use that energy in turning some of these showers into some severe storms. Right now, we're not dealing with too much weather. There's some strong storms to the east of Indianapolis, north of Cincinnati. But we are going to be monitoring the area towards central Missouri, central Illinois, because what we're going to be dealing with is going to form out here, making its way towards the tri-state. So however they behave once they fire up, we'll know a lot more of what to expect once we see those storms fire up. Now, that threat for severe weather is a 3 out of 5 on the threat index. And the biggest threats are really going to be large hail and strong winds. So 30% chance of winds greater than 55 miles per hour or up to. But we have a 30% chance of hail larger than 2 inches in diameter. Now, even hail larger than 1 inch in diameter is pretty damaging. So the fact that we have a 30% chance of 2-inch hail means that 1-inch hail is probably a lot more likely, maybe 40 or 50%. But we are going to be dealing with some strong storms once they roll through. So here's the timing of it all. We're still quiet up until around 8 o'clock. Things seem quiet, but as we head into around 2, 3 o'clock, storms form out west, move into the tri-state around 2:30, giving us an early wake-up call. That's why we have the threat for severe weather west of the Wabash River. This is for that 3 out of 5. But then as we work our way into 5, 6, 7, things are quiet. But then things start firing up yet again, and we deal with the threat for some strong storms through the morning and into the afternoon tomorrow. Once we head through that threat, things are going to be quieter for the rest of the week.